Hello, welcome. In this lecture, let us understand why Java is a reliable programming language. Some of the reasons why Java is reliable is because it does a automatic memory management, does a exception handling, it is also a platform independent. These are the important features that makes a Java a trustworthy language. Let us discuss about these things in bit more detail. First thing is automatic memory management. Java does a automatic memory management using a feature called garbage collection. This prevents memory leak and crash happening while program is running. The real life example can be, imagine a robot cleaner that automatically cleans up your room. You do not have to worry about clutter piling up, right? Similarly, Java does a garbage collection by automatically cleaning the unused memory. Another feature provided by Java is exception handling. Java has strong system for handling errors called exception handling. If something goes wrong, program can recover instead of crashing. It is like while walking, when you are trying to fall down, you catch yourself and avoid falling further. Similarly, when exception occurs, Java program can recover instead of crashing. Another feature of Java which makes it reliable is platform independence. Java program can run on different types of operating systems such as Windows, Mac OS, Linux. This makes Java more reliable for cross-platform applications. The real-life example can be, think of USB charger that works with any phone. Java is like that. It works everywhere, right? These are the key features that make a Java reliable. Because Java provides these features, we call Java a reliable programming language. Thank you for watching.